Okay, since I'm a professor of the Institute of Civil Engineering and specifically member of yung tinatawag nating Transport Engineering Group, my field of interest is transportation research, or transportation engineering. So I do research on topics related to transportation engineering. Of course, as a faculty member, I always tell the students na you must conduct research, especially sa senior students. No? Kasi sa context ng university, it is very important to generate new knowledge. And new knowledge can only be achieved if you do research. So that's one of the higher goals of research. Tapos syempre, on a personal level, also professional, yung sarili kong interest tsaka sariling curiosity, because I simply want to know something, I want to explain something, so I conduct research. In terms of research, ang isa sa formal output kasi na research ay yung tinatawag publication. No? So of course, after conducting your research, you need to write the manuscript kasi you need to publish your work. Parang gano'n. Kung yung findings mo, sa particular research, you need to publish it. So of course, I've had several publications. Years ago, I was able to publish sa isang journal which is based in the United States, that is called Transportation Research Board, and because of that I needed to go to the US to present it, no? As part of the publication of research. No? And aside from that, syempre sa university level, I also did some publications, and right now importante yung advising advising students to conduct their own research. For me kasi, research is always motivated by, dahil simple lang, no? You want to know something at saka you want to explain something. No? Yun ang isang advantage siguro ng mga younger students, especially high school, kasi very innate pa sa kanila yung curiosity. So for those young researchers, always take into consideration, always parang respond to their curiosity, kasi yun yung mag-start ng research nila. If they want to know something, if they want to explain something, research can always help you do that, no? To accomplish what you want to know and what you want to explain. Tapos syempre, if you have more interest and if you have a more noble purpose, no? Papasok na dyan yung you want to discover more things, no? You want to discover new things and possibly to create new things or to innovate. So lahat yon kasama ng proseso ng research. So for young students, simple lang, kung curious ka, alamin mo, no? And the process itself is already research, no? We can start with that. We can start with that particular habit. Later on, magiging formal yan. When you go to the university, meron ng formal process of research, including yung writing the manuscript. But it always starts with yung proseso na if you want to know something, if you want to explain something, search for the answer. And that is the basic research.